trying to get a mow on right now, and I haven't used this mower in a couple weeks. The last time I used it, it looks like I mulched, and that thing is caked with this nasty old grass. It is, the underside of this mower is just caked with old grass. So I'm going to take the pressure washer and kind of clean it out a little bit. It's likely that these blades need sharpening as well, but past, I generally like to mulch mow all the leaves into the lawn, and that is exactly what I would recommend. I am not mulch mowing them today because I would like to collect the leaves and put them into a compost bin. I'm less than optimistic about the compost pile because I've done that in the past and haven't seen great results with that, but I am desirous to try my luck again compost bin. So that's why I'm bagging. But if you've got a lot of leaves, I'd recommend staying on top of it and just use your mower and mulch them up, and then get down on to the soil level and decompose and put organic matter back into the soil. It's good for it. So there it is. That was basically just like a charity mow, but the primary goal with that was just to kind of clean up the leaves. So today is October 23rd. I just want to give you an update of what's going on with this project here. I decided to put the brakes on this project for the year of 2018 because it is cold, and the asphalt, it was putting the asphalt down in the cold or waiting the winter season for it to settle more and to kind of compact some more, and doing it in the spring. So I put the brakes on that, and I'm going to do that in the spring. I still may move forward with this project yet this fall. I am almost certain that I am going to match what I have on my walkway right here with these pavers and put them there, and I'm going to cut a little bit of that concrete out, and then I'm just going to border the pavers with this concrete. It's not ideal, but I like the look of the pavers better, and I think I'm going to go that route. So that's the update on this. So I just went and got my bag O clippings. If you can see here, I got about this much. It's really not that much, and it's mostly all leaves. I don't see hardly any kind of grass clippings in there, maybe a little bit, but I'm collecting all the leaves, and I'm going to put them in my compost pile over in the backyard over there. A couple other things I'm going to be doing: take my mowers into the shop to get them sharpened. I've got the Toro 1000, I've got the 1600. I am pretty sure I'm going to be selling those mowers. I've got the Toro Greensmaster 1600. It's a 26-inch wide mower. I love that mower. It is so awesome. Probably going to be selling it here in the next few weeks. And then I've got the Toro Greensmaster 1000 that I'm going to be selling as well. So the plan is I kind of want to sell those and then upgrade to like a riding reel mower, like a Toro 3100D or a newer 1600. I love that mower. It is absolutely fantastic. I love the Toro mower. Such an awesome mower. I would recommend it to anybody looking to step up their game. So that's what I've got going on. I really want to see you guys at that meetup in Salt Lake City, the Salt Lake Wasatch Front folks. Please come out to Dita Cafe. We're going to have a grand old jolly time, and we are going to rock it like no one's business. Winter is rapidly approaching, and that is a boo-hoo-hoo moment for me. I do not like winter because I do not like being cold, but I do not want to move into that grassy weed Bermuda zone. Boo-hoo to that. No thanks. But I don't like winter either, so maybe it's like winter down there, summer up here. I don't know. One more thing I want to say, the mustache. I shaved the mustache. I made a promise to my wife that I would shave it. I said, I'll promise to shave it for you on the day of your choosing, and I will do that. And she said, okay, I want to shave it on this day when we're going to do family pictures. And so I shaved it for the family pictures, and that is why I shaved it. But never fear, Mustache is here. I'm going to bring her back, and it's going to come back in its full glory with the handlebar and everything. So don't be losing your cool about why it's gone and all that jazz. I am going to bring that sucker back. So you guys with beards, I want to see those beards gone, and I want to see you shave those beards into mustaches. If you're not sporting a mustache, all I can say is you're just too chicken to let your self-confidence soar by putting on the mustache and going for it. I tell people, the second you shave your beard into a mustache is the day that your self-confidence level will skyrocket. I promise you that, and I'm sticking to that. So you chickens who just want to grow a beard because that's the cool thing to do, shave that freaking beard and get one of these nice mustaches. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.